Like this video and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on you while you're sleeping. This fake brick road is quickly crafted with a giant stamp roller on an extension pole. A loose mixture of mortar is carefully flung onto a new brick wall. Large cement blocks are lowered onto a truck with a circular frame to create a tunnel. This worker heaves pebbles at wet cement to form a pebble-dashed wall. A striated hand tool is dragged over wet plaster to create an R-Tex pattern design. Tape lines are carefully pulled from fresh paint to create a fake brick wall. Perfect timing and teamwork enabled these workers to lay a brick wall at a rapid pace. Four custom mini mold templates are pressed into fresh concrete to make a faux stone wall. A ceiling hole is patched using scissored studs, drywall tape, mud, and expertise. A mix of wet and dry concrete shoveled into a template makes a decorative roof tile. A faux brick wall is made using a roller frame and a plastic textured rolling pad template. This bricklayer cuts and arranges bricks diagonally to make a lattice-style brick fence. Wet concrete is shoveled into a concrete stencil to achieve a honeycomb block design. This worker rides the arm of a mini excavator to evenly skim coat a new patio with concrete. A skilled craftsman utilizes different trowels to give textural accents to a new entrance walkway. A precise amount of brick mortar is applied with a piece of wood and pro-level experience. Wood framing and hand tools are used to create a half-moon outdoor concrete landing. This pothole gets sealed and filled up with a top coat of textured concrete. A section of new roofing is secured with hot mop roofing tar and a hand tool. A rough coat of pool plaster is sprayed and then smoothly troweled by an expert team. Excess drywall mud is masterfully removed from a wall to reveal a smooth finish. Dug out moat trenches are filled with concrete to form a complex strip foundation. Watch this concrete radius slab get troweled and cut to perfection. Drywall mud is applied and then quickly removed to fill nail holes on a new wall. This compact track loader with a large tray fill and tie closed 20 sandbags in seconds. A water line is set in at the perfect angle, causing this chain reaction installation. Precise measuring and steady shovel team up to create a compass-like chalk circle. Painter's tape and brick-colored paint are used to create the illusion of a real brick wall. Tubular beads of concrete are layered precisely using a 3D concrete printer. A thick line of plaster is applied and a double-handed trowel is used to evenly coat a wall.